Welcome to Kathy's Eclectic Garden. I'm Kathy and I garden in Zone 6A in Northwest Ohio. And I've got a question for you. Where's the aphids? We'll discuss that in a minute, but behind me is my little native button bush. But that's a video that's coming out later. The 2024 growing season is not yet over, but still I have to ask, where are the aphids? Not even on my milkweed plants that always have aphids. In 2023, there were no aphids to be found anywhere in my garden. The 2024 growing season appears to be no different so far. So why no aphids? I have a theory. Probably not a good one, but a theory as to why that may be. Considering the potential destructive nature of aphids, is not having aphids in your garden a problem? For me, not really. Here's why. Aphids damage plants during their life cycle by producing malnutrition in the plant. They feed off the plant's sap, resulting in stunted growth, leaf yellowing, and white spots. They also secrete a substance called honeydew on leaves that attract mold. Furthermore, ants farm the aphids for the honeydew created. They cause plant disfiguration. Aphids puncture the surface of the plants using a piercing part of their mouth to suck sap flowing within the plants. This sap provides food to the plant, and the aphids will weaken the plant as they absorb the nutrients out. The thing about aphids is they multiply a lot in a short period. A single infestation lasting from spring to summer produces more than 15 generations of aphids. According to an article written by Catherine Beckman and appearing on the almanac.com website, aphids infect a wide variety of plants. Different species of aphids can be found on certain plants. For example, some species include bean, cabbage, potato, green peach, melon, and woolly apple aphids. Some aphids are darker in color. The potato aphid is a common brown aphid. And I might add the same holds true for mildew. Different types of mildew can be specific to certain plant species. I've witnessed this in my own garden. I still deal with the red milkweed beetle, which eats everything on a milkweed plant. Tetrops tetrathalmus is also known to feed on various species of milkweed plants. They prefer to lay their eggs on milkweed plants where the larvae can feed on the roots. The adults mainly consume the plant's leaves, flowers, and seed pods. I still have to deal with the small milkweed bug, Lygaeus calmii, a true bug which belongs to the order of Hymenoptera and grows to about 1/4 of an inch long. The large milkweed bug, Onchopeltis fasciatus, another true bug also belonging to the order of Hymenoptera, can be confused with the small milkweed bug. This bug can grow up to 3/4 of an inch long. Swamp milkweed leaf beetles, Lambidomera clivicoleus, are found in eastern North America and prefer swamp milkweed, but have been recorded on other plants. The milkweed tussock moth, or milkweed tiger moth caterpillar, Echades eagle, is found throughout North America. Touching or handling this caterpillar may irritate your skin, so beware. With all that said, what is my theory as to why I have not had aphids anywhere in my garden? Simply stated, the area I live in has been experiencing one rain after another going back to April up to the current time in near mid-July 2024. The constant rains and hard rains happened in 2023 and now in 2024. I think the rains are keeping the aphids washed off the plants. I am also basing my theory on how I treat for aphids. There are tons of homemade treatments out there along with some chemical treatments. I don't want aphids on my milkweed plants, so I simply use a gentle spray of water and wash them off. And I am more likely to not do anything and let nature take its course. Besides, I don't want to accidentally wash any monarch butterfly eggs or caterpillars away along with the aphids. Because milkweed plants are host plants for the monarch butterfly, caution must be exercised using no chemicals on milkweeds, and this cannot be stressed enough. And ladybugs love aphids. If you have aphids, the ladybugs will come. As my husband always asked, Who treats or treated the milkweeds for aphids in their natural habitat, whether now or hundreds of years ago? So that would be a thought to consider when it comes to making a decision as to how to get rid of aphids on your milkweed plants. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.